In today's tutorial, I'm going to be directing you on how to create a YouTube shortcut on your desktop. So this is what you're going to do. Head over to either your Google Chrome or your Microsoft Edge and then open any form of browser, Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Then go where you search from, type in www.youtube.com. I'm going to be directing you in two simplest ways. So the first way, you're going to try to decrease the size of this tab, and then you're going to highlight. You're going to highlight this link, the www.youtube.com, and then you're going to double click and then we drag to our desktop. That is the first way. So the second way, you're going to come where we have the three dots, these ones, and then you're going to come where we have more tools, and then you're going to come where you have apps, and then you're going to come where you have install YouTube. By doing this, we're going to be installing the YouTube application on our desktop. I'm going to be showing you after it has come. It has successfully been installed, and then we can create a desktop shortcut by checking. You're going to come and then you're going to check whether you have create desktop shortcut, and then you can pin it to your text bar, and then after allow. Then by doing that, you would have successfully installed YouTube and created a YouTube shortcut on your desktop. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. I sign out.